This is the solution video for section 1.5, problem number 8. So the directions for this problem say, a function f satisfies the given conditions. Sketch a possible graph for f, assuming that it does not cross a horizontal asymptote. All right, so first of all, we read, it says the limit as x approaches negative infinity of f of x is negative 2. The limit as x approaches positive infinity of f of x is negative 2. The limit as x approaches 3 from the left of f of x is infinity. The limit as x approaches 3 from the right of f of x is negative infinity. The limit as x approaches negative 1 from the left of f of x is negative infinity. And the limit as x approaches negative 1 from the right of f of x is positive infinity. So we start off with a coordinate axis. All right, so now we've got something going on at positive 3. So I'm going to put up to positive 3. And then we have something going on at negative 1. All right, and then we have something going on at y equals negative 2. Now, how do you know that? Well, for one, okay, first of all, x is approaching 3 and negative 1. So obviously that's, I think, obvious. But then the limit as x approaches negative infinity. What does that mean? Remember, that means as we go far to the left, or limit as x approaches positive infinity, far to the right, the y value is approaching negative 2. So what does that mean? That means we have a horizontal asymptote at negative 2. All right. Now, x approaches 3 from the left or 3 from the right. That means we have a vertical asymptote at positive 3, and then a vertical asymptote at negative 1. All right, so now we have to think about the specifics, which way we're going. All right, so the limit as x approaches negative infinity, so that means to the left, is negative 2, meaning we're either approaching from above or from below, meaning, well, we're not really told which one of those it is, but it can depend on what we're doing around negative 1. So I'll leave those off just for a second. All right, and then same thing here, limit as x approaches positive infinity is negative 2, meaning what? We are approaching negative 2 as a horizontal asymptote from above or from below. So I'll hold off on those until we put some other pieces in. All right, next, the limit as x approaches 3 from the left of f of x is infinity. All right, so 3 from the left is positive infinity, meaning we must be going up towards infinity on the left side of 3. And the limit as x approaches 3 from the right is negative infinity, meaning we must be going down towards negative infinity on the right, which means that it would be pretty natural to just continue towards that horizontal asymptote there. All right, now let's talk about limit as x approaches negative 1 from the left. That's negative infinity, once again, meaning we must be going down on the left side of negative 1, and it would be pretty easy to just continue this here towards that horizontal asymptote. All right, the limit as x approaches negative 1 from the right of f of x, that's positive infinity, meaning we must be going up on the right side of negative 1, and then these two would maybe be connected somehow there. And this is a possible graph. There are some slight variations, but nothing can vary about where these arrows are going.